Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to find your Roblox user ID on your mobile devices, you may follow up these steps below for that. So, your user ID is a unique number assigned to your Roblox account, different from your username. In order to find it up, you can open up Chrome first or any of the web browser. It is easier on a web browser rather than the mobile application itself. So, you can go to roblox.com and go ahead and tap on continue in browser. After you do so, if you're not logged in, you can go ahead and log in into your account first. You can go ahead and log in first. And then once you are logged in here, you will be taken to the Roblox homepage with different options available. And you need to go ahead and look out for the profile option or go to your profile from here once you are logged in, which should be available in the top right corner of your screen, right in the navigation bar below before the search. So go ahead and tap on it and that should directly open up your profile page. Now, once you are in this page right here, what you need to do is you need to look at the URL in the browser's address bar. So go ahead and tap on the URL and you can tap on this pen icon. And once you do here, you will be finding option for users slash and a certain code or number available before profile. So the number in the URL, we have this. Mine is 7122. This one right here. This is your user ID. So you can just go ahead and copy or share it and paste it wherever you want to share it. That is the user ID that you can share with other people. Go ahead and share it up, and that is it. You can just go ahead and follow up this process. You must use the browser even on mobile to see the full URL for the user ID. And that is it. And that's it for today's video. If you'd like to go ahead and view your Roblox user ID on your mobile device, these are the simple steps you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.